Get the wine, get the cheese, and let's make the olives together. Take a look. Stay tuned for the recipe. Hello everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Today, a simple recipe. Olives, but taken up an extra notch, just a little extra virgin olive oil, chili pepper, garlic, fresh bay leaves, and it really makes the olives just amazing. Let's get started. The important thing, I have a medley of olives here. I have some Kalamata, Gaeta, and some green olives. The important thing is to dry up any of the excess water, just because you don't want to splatter all over the kitchen. You know, I don't have a cleaning crew. So if I dirty, I gotta clean. Olives drain on a paper towel, just like this. And let them sit till they dry out. I'm gonna add a paper towel on top. Just try to remove as much moisture as possible. Okay, I was a little hesitant to do this recipe because it really is so easy. My sister makes these olives at every party. She's an amazing cook, but don't tell her. So, just let's get the heat on. Extra virgin olive oil, lo mettiamo a sentimento. We gotta feel how much we want. 4 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons. It also depends on the amount of olives that you're using. So I have about 2 pounds of olives. I'm gonna just add the oil, medium heat, because you will always want to be careful not to burn the garlic. Now, I'm adding oil and I'm talking, I lost count. Yeah, it looks about 5 tablespoons. Let's get the garlic in. Hear it sizzle already. Okay. The bay leaves and the chili pepper. The hot oil will release the flavor of the garlic and the bay leaves and also the heat from the peppers. And then take a look, it's time to add the olives. It looks perfect. Higher your heat and stir and let it fry. Just a couple minutes like this. Hear that sizzling? Wow.
I have an olive before I go?
No, go. Goodbye. Okay, the olive monster just left. So let's go ahead and plate this. Best part at the bottom of the pan. Okay, since I made them, I get to taste them. Okay, now to check that if it came out good, we're going to facciamo la scarpetta nell'olio at the bottom here. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll make this easy, delicious recipe. Alla prossima, arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.